Hey guys, welcome to our tutorial Analytics Automation. So basically in this chapter we will learn about advanced filter. We have learned the filter, many types of filter. But did you ever know what is advanced filter and how you can make your filter more and more advanced? So let's learn how we can get benefit out of advanced filter. Advanced filter is very powerful thing. I can assure you that you will get a lot of good knowledge from advanced filter. So let's start. And now we are moving to our next sheet, that is advanced filter. Here you can see I have written the what kind of benefit that you will get from advanced filter. So this is the shortcut key of advanced filter, alt aq. And you can see these are the four benefits that you will get from advanced filter, which is filter out unique data, then copy filtered data to other location. Now third, filtered data on multiple criteria. So you basically you can filter your data basis on a real time criteria. And now the fourth and interesting one is automated filter. So how you can do all this magic with that advanced filter. I'll give you the demo and I'll show how is it possible, how it is possible by you know with live example. So uh, now let's move to the next tab where I have data, and I'll show it to you. So now let's begin. Okay, so this is the data that I have, where I have a couple of fields like order date, ship date, customer name, segment, city, state, region, category, subcategory, and sales. Now, so if you have, so like if someone asks you that apply filter um, on Yana, so how you can do that? Simply you can press Alt DFF. What I have done, how this filter option came, I pressed Alt DFF. So here you can see uh, and how you can do that in normal filter. Just simple Yana and click it here. So Yana's data is showing here. Okay. Now if you have multiple entries, so for example, uh, uh, so for this person you have, so there is one data. Okay, let me, so let's take example on the another column, so column D. So we have segment. You can see we have how many data sets? 49 data sets, like 49 rows. Now I have to filter the unique data. How you can do that? Even you can see there are three unique field: consumer, corporate, and home office. But you can't filter like this. So if I need to, so see, all the consumers are here, right? All the corporates are here. Now all the home offices are there. But if I want to see only three records means the unique filter, how you can do that? So, my friend, it's very easy. How how we can do that? Let's go through my way. And it is easy. It's not actually my way. It's very easy, and you can see, right, how you can do that. Just you don't have to do anything. Just click on data. Here you can see the data in the menu tab. Here is the data. Then go to advanced. Here you can see the advanced. Okay, let's click it. Advanced. Now there are multiple options here. What option do I need to select? The first one is filter the list in place, means the filtered data will be shown here, right? If you want to copy to another location, you need to select this option, but we will see it later, right? So the filtered, I'll select filter the list in place. Okay, here the list range, the entire data range, it is already selected the entire data range, so we don't have to worry. Or if it didn't, then maybe what I'll see, what I'll do, I'll just click on order date and then select the entire data. Okay, press enter. Criteria, we don't have to do criteria. Unique record, yes, we need to click it here. Unique record, right? So what I have selected, or maybe I have used the three section of this. First one, the filtered the list in place. Second, the list range. And the third, unique records only. Now click on OK. It's nothing has happened. Why? Because we made a mistake, sorry. We made a mistake. What was the mistake? Let me tell you. So what I have clicked here, advanced, and this is same unique, but the all so how it is working, it is working on all the data sets, right? And all the data sets are unique. So basically we have to filter the segment, right? So then in the list range we have to click it here, right? And then press OK. You can see the result, right? So why I have shown it to you? Because many times you many times you make such mistakes and you never know, oh, what happened, why it is not showing the result. Remember, so uh, to learn from your mistakes, it is always better, right? Because you remember things, correct? So it is giving me the unique filtered data: corporate, consumer, home office. So this is example number one, right? So how? So the first one, filtered unique data. It filtered, and it is live. Now go to my next example. Let me just move. Let's maybe create the copy. I have copied it to another sheet. Okay. Now let me remove the filter, or maybe you can click it here to clear the filter. I have cleared. Now I have to copy this filtered data to other place or other location. I don't want to filter it here. I don't want to filter it here, but I have to copy it from here and make it to the another location. The filtered one, the filter, not the entire data. The filtered data, copy from here and put it into another place. How we can do that? It's very simple. Let me show you the example. Okay. Again, click on advanced, filter. Okay. The range. Now I have to select this copy to another location. Again, I have to select this range because I have to copy data from here. Okay. Now I click it here, unique records, and where I need to put this data to, select, click it here, and maybe click it here. So now what my aim is and what I am trying to do, I am trying to just filter it the unique data from here and copy it to this location, the L1. Okay. Now click. You can see data is not filtered here because what we had selected copy to another location, and see the filtered data is here, right? So this was the example number second. Corporate, consumer, home offices are here. Okay. now third now third, what you can do, you can do very simple, the the apply filter on dynamic criteria. How we can do that? Let's copy this sheet again. Let me copy this. Okay, now this is 3. Okay, now what I can do, so see, let me let me create some spaces, and what I can do, just simple copy paste the headers, so I can basically apply the filter. So let me give you the example. So if someone tells you that, hey, apply filter on ship mode, like same day, here you can see 2 data point. Then he or she tells you that, apply filter on value greater than 200, greater than 200. See, there is one result. Okay, there is one result. I don't know what is this. So there is one result. Okay. Now after 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 a few times, or after a while, if he or she asks that, what was the criteria exactly to apply filter on, you don't remember, maybe maybe you forget, right? But I and maybe the other option is good here. You can see the equals to same day, you can see greater than 200. It will give you the and if give you the example. So what we have done it, right? And if so let's remember, if there is multiple, so like criteria on 10 different places, you know, it's hard to remember, right? So and I'll make it easy for you. How we can do that? See, what was our criteria? Our first criteria was the first class, sorry, same day, right? So let me copy the same day, and put it here, same day, and our sales was greater than 200, right? Let's see the same result is coming or not. Now go to advanced, okay? Filter in the list, same, okay? List range. Now because we have to filter on all the columns or all the data, so I have selected it here. Now the criteria is criteria range is this. With header I have to select, okay, then click on OK. See the same result, the same one result, okay. If I need to, if I need to only see the same day one, again go to advanced and just click on OK. You will see the filter on same day. Maybe if you want to see for the first class, just type first class and advance, then OK. See all the first class results are here, right? If you want to see the region or maybe city or maybe state, anything, right? Or maybe only value more than 100, click it here. Okay, so all the data is filtered based on greater than 100 cells, right? So this is an awesome trick, this is an awesome feature that, you know Microsoft Excel has provided, right? So the advanced filter, okay. Now the last but not the least, we can see how we can create dynamically, okay. So now I have to just copy it to last, okay, very good. Now how we can do it dynamically. So maybe if you are a, if you are a data analyst or maybe you are a reporting analyst and you prepare certain report to the management are not technical enough to, apply many times the advanced filter and change the criteria, so it's all up to you, right? So you have to create some some magical way, or just they have to, as a layman they have to hit a certain button and they can get the desired output. How they can do that? I'll tell you the easiest way, okay. But before than that, let me clear the filter. So how you can do that, it is very easy actually. So let's apply the filter, but before than that I have to go to the view, okay, then macros and then record macro. So see, macro 1 is getting recorded here. Are you able to see that? Macro 1 is getting recorded here, okay. Click on OK, right? And then uh, do the same thing again. Go to the data, okay. Click on advance, okay. Click on advance, and then uh, although it is selected already, but again what I'll do, I'll select it again. So click it here, the select the data set, then the range, the criteria range, and then click on OK. So now it has done the filter part, okay. So the one part is done. What you have to do, click it here, and then go to the macros and stop recording macros. The first thing is done. The first step what we have taken, the first step has been for recording the macro. Now the second step, the second thing, again I'll click it here, record macro number 2. And in the macro number 2, what we will do, we will remove the filter. What we will do, remove the filter. So clear, okay, click it here, clear. So this has been done, so the filter has been cleared, okay. Now again go to view and stop the recording, okay. So if you doesn't know VBA, simple, you go to the view menu and in the macro section, click on create a record macro button, then stop macro. Now, what we will do, the amazing thing is coming now. Okay, so in the shape section, you can create two button, the button number one and button number two. You can see, and let's change it a little bit. Maybe this one. I can rename it like uh, filter. Okay, make it little bit a center, then clear. So what clear will do? Okay, now what I have to do? Now I have to click it here, right click it here, the link, not link, sorry. Click it here, assign macro and apply macro was macro number one. Okay, clear macro, sorry, clear in the on the clear button, just assign macro, macro number two. Now, if you give this seat to your management, and if they have to apply the multiple criteria in and out, they can do it. How? So let's see the example. So here you can see what is the criteria greater than 100, apply filter. You can see all the data is there, clear. Maybe what I can do, number of records. Okay, give me one, give me a moment. Subtotal 100, uh, count a comma. So this is the number of records. Okay, and the second one, uh, subtotal 109 comma this one. So now we can see number of records and total of the value. Okay, so now if you filter it out, you can see 23 records and 16,640 is the total amount, right? Clear filter, again you will get the same position. If you need to change the filter greater than 500, apply filter, you can see now 11 record and the total number of value. If you want to change it here, for example, customer name Philip Brown, see the value of Philip Brown. If you want to give multiple criteria like a standard class in the ship mode section and office supplies in category, you can see apply filters, you can see all the second class and office supplies. Maybe you can put another filter like greater than 200 and apply. So there is only one value. Let me clear it and see there is one value. Let me change it to greater than 50, apply. So see the four value. Isn't it amazing? What do you say? Isn't it amazing? No? Yeah, it is amazing. Yeah. So guys, you have to do a practice. You have to do a lot of practice to do this. You can find the link, this Excel file link in the description box, and you can download this Excel file. Try by yourself. See the videos 2 3 4 times. If you don't understand in the first time, it's totally fine. If you don't understand in the first go, there's no problem, right? So I hope you love this video, and if you really love this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. This is an amazing thing, and you will get a lot of videos like this. I'll teach you, or I'll train you the entire analytics thing on this channel. So hope for the best. Thank you so much, guys.